Welcome back, continuing the news. We're going on to the story of Dean Thomas, a police constable who died in hospital last year, 4 months after being shot in the line of duty. His mother says she's disappointed with the medical treatment her son received and the treatment by the force after his death. Giovanni Dennis has her story.
In the eyes of Joyce Thomas, her son, police constable Dean Thomas, will always be a hero. Her emotions not hidden as she looks at his funeral program from August 2019. Not a day or night goes by, she told us, when she doesn't think of her son.
Every night my pillow wet up.
Constable Thomas was shot in March 2019 while on a police operation in Kingston. He was admitted to the Kingston Public Hospital for treatment. For the 3 months he was at KPH, Ms. Thomas insists the medical care was unsatisfactory.
Them not treat him good. And when we talk to a nurse, when we say, nurse, if we want to speak to a nurse, miss, it's time for you to go now. Go. Or I will let you don't come back up here.
Because he was immobile, Constable Thomas developed bed sores while at hospital, 6 in total.
So they have one stocking with them wear when their foot swell, and the stocking did so tell you eat off the whole of the flesh off of the skin. Eat off the flesh. Eat the skin, eat off the flesh. Go down to the bone.
We've blurred some of these images Miss Thomas showed us because they may be too graphic. The sores are on his heel, behind his knee, and the one that hurt Miss Thomas the most in his lower back.
She turned him over. I said, "Me must look." And when me do so, me say, "Jesus God, Jesus God." And everybody jump up and sit down up. It whole back rotten off.
She says on several occasions her son told her the sores were not being treated, but medical staff denied that claim to her. Constable Thomas's condition worsened and he struggled to eat.
He said, "Throat can't swallow." And I say, "You not tell nurse or a doctor?" And say, "Yes." And tell him. I say, "What then say?" And say, "Yes."
He stopped eating. He was later transferred to a medical facility in Florida.
The doctor them said to me, say, "Is he really coming from a hospital? Kingston Public Hospital?" Doctor say, "The blood poison. The blood go down. It's sore when you have, and the blood go down pan him bone and poison the body. Right? So he might reject all medication."
Constable Thomas died a few weeks later from cardiac arrest caused from septicemia, which is blood poisoning. Ms. Thomas insists she had little support from the Jamaica Constabulary Force when her son passed.
Not even dime. Not even a bottle of beer.
She says she received some help from the government with burial, but gets the runaround whenever she makes contact on her son's insurance claims or pension. She says she's contacted the Human Resource Department of the JCF and received no reply. She told us she's written to the current chairman of the Police Federation, Sergeant Patrick Rowe, also no reply. When we contacted Sergeant Rowe in July, he said he would have to get information before speaking. We've contacted Sergeant Rowe several times before airing this story. He said he was unable to provide a response. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.